Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download BMW ConnectedDrive app charging schedules, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your smartphone is compatible with the BMW ConnectedDrive app. Visit the App Store if you are using an iPhone. Search for BMW ConnectedDrive in the App Store. Tap the download button to install the app on your device. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. Search for BMW ConnectedDrive in the Play Store. Download and install the app by tapping the appropriate button. Once the installation is complete, open the BMW ConnectedDrive app. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. After logging in, navigate to the charging section of the app. Look for the option labeled Charging Schedules. Select this option to access charging schedule settings. You can view any existing charging schedules here. To create a new charging schedule, find and tap the Add Schedule button. Set your desired start time for the charging session. Select the days of the week when you want the charging to occur. Choose the duration for the charging session. If needed, specify the desired charge level for your vehicle. Review your charging schedule details to ensure accuracy. Save your new charging schedule by tapping the appropriate button. You will receive a confirmation notification once it is saved successfully. To edit or delete an existing schedule, go back to the charging section. Select the schedule you wish to modify or remove. Make the necessary adjustments or confirm deletion. Always verify that your vehicle is within range for charging to take effect. After completing these steps, your charging schedule will be set up successfully. Now you can manage your electric vehicle's charging efficiently using the BMW ConnectedDrive app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.